Hello my friends, I am so hungry after my live streaming, and thank you to all my viewers earlier today in my live cooking. I'm sorry, I wish I could give all of these to you, including that ginataan. Oh my gosh, so yummy. I cannot wait for my husband to come home, so I'll be eating all by myself. Okay, so I'll start with the yummy ginataan. Palalawayin ko na naman kayo. Mga kabisda ko, salamat kaayo sa inyo ha. Pag-attend niyo sa aking live streaming. Sa mga kaibigan ko, salamat sa inyong lahat. All my non-Filipino friends, shout out to all of you. Thank you so much for joining me today in my live cooking. So I'm eating the jackfruit recipe with coconut milk, and then I'll be using my hands with the dilis, anchovies, some rice. So I'm eating all by myself. And my favorite, fish. Yummy, yummy. This one is all for me. Yum. Oh my gosh. Not dry, it's so yummy. Sausaw sa suka. I'm happy already eating rice and the vegetables. Kamaya na. Hi, baby.
Did I interrupt you?
Yeah.
I did?
Yeah, I'm done live streaming.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, I'm done work now.
Oh, I thought you are closing.
No, I started at 10. I had closed, so.
Okay. So,
You can come pick me up if you want.
okay.
Okay.
I'll see you soon, darling.
I'll see you. Bye.
Okay, love you. Bye.
Love you too. Bye.
Oh, I'm eating, so I'm just going to wash my hands and I'll get you,
What are
okay?
you eating?
Lots of food, fish. The red fish that you love.
What?
Remember the red fish
No.
that I fried and you love to eat them?
Oh,
The
the
small.
bird. So-
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I'll see you soon.
See you.
Okay, love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye. So, my youngest loves this fish as well. Dip in soy sauce and vinegar and eat with rice. So, I have to stop eating. I have to go pick her up. So I'll see you soon. Dad, are you done eating?
Yeah.
You want to finish it?
What's the difference between the other one?
This one's the same.
No, the one in there. Yeah.
Pampano, the one that I use for sinigang.
Oh.
Yeah, you like it, but it's not sinigang.
Yeah.
Which one you want, the pampano or the
The one
Snapper.
on the one on the green thing.
Okay.
You say the half for me or something?
You want the half?
Something.
You don't want the whole thing?
I don't know.
Okay. You want to dip it in soy sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. You want some rice too?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm finished. Hello my friends. Hapunan na, ito pa rin ang ulam ko. Kumain na yung tatlo. So these are my leftover and I have them for dinner now. And I have more of these Ginataang Langka in the fridge. And I have my pantulak, my beer. My favorite beer. Nice and cold. Delicious. My hubby is actually not here with me. He is outside just next door drinking with the neighbor, our good neighbor.
Front door.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
How's your outing? Bukas ng umaga. Kamaya na naman. I'm full. I'm going to keep the rest for tomorrow for breakfast. So I'll be back. See you for breakfast. I still have these. Cover that with leaves. And these. Hello, my friends. It is morning now in Toronto, Canada. It's Saturday and it's June 15th. Kain ulit tayo. Kamayan ulit tayo. So, lunch, dinner, and breakfast food from my live streaming yesterday. So I don't have to cook. I was joining live streaming earlier today. There were so many of them. So now I'm hungry and eating the same food that I kept last night. And I will just actually warm up the Ginataang Langka. So I have left over here. I'll be adding more. I have some in the fridge. And my husband was in the mood to eat mussels. So what he did, I had defrosted some mussels yesterday, and he cooked additional food. So it is actually brunch or lunchtime here now. I did not eat breakfast, and so it's about 12:46 p.m. already, June 15th. I still have fish left over from yesterday, and I'll keep this one for my youngest daughter. She said she will eat it later.